So are you headed to the Westin Mission Hills Resort and Villas here in Palm Springs, maybe even Rancho Mirage, California? And maybe you want to see what one of the villas look like? Well, we're going to head inside and take a look at ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we get started taking a look at our villa here at the Westin Mission Hills Resort and Villas, I want to let you know on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, even if you don't happen to own timeshare, but you love visiting these fantastic resorts, you may even like that I do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. So be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below. Also click on that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's head inside here. We're going to take a look at our villa, 3810, building 38 on the second floor here at the Westin Mission Hills Resort and Villas. Walking into the one-bedroom standard villa here at the Westin Mission Hills in Rancho Mirage, California, I'm going to notice immediately to my left here is the in-room laundry. Stacking washer and dryer definitely is a nice thing to have anytime you're on vacation. Next up, let's take a look at the kitchen here. This kitchen is kind of missing one essential item, and we'll get to it in a minute here, but you do have a full-size refrigerator. It does have an ice maker in there as well. You have a cooktop. You do have a microwave, small appliances including the coffee maker, toaster, and some coffee supplies to get you started. And it does have a pretty small sink here as well. But the one item that it is definitely missing is an oven. So no oven in this standard one-bedroom villa at the Westin Mission Hills. So keep that in mind if you're booking a stay here. This villa does, of course, have all your cookware, dinnerware, silverware, and glassware as well. So you do have a pretty decent sized kitchen here, pretty good kitchen, but it is, of course, missing an oven. And the kitchen here does have a view out into the hallway, so keep that in mind. You may end up having some people walking back and forth across in front of this window here. Next up, we're going to take a look at the living and dining room area here. They're kind of together. It's kind of a small area, especially the living area. You do just have a small sofa over there, which I think probably only pulls out into maybe a full-size bed. You do have a couple of ottomans / coffee tables there. They kind of flip. They're kind of transitionable between an ottoman and a coffee table. There is also a small side table in there with your telephone and this lovely green chair. And of course, you do have your full-size television and a Blu-ray player, as well as a Bose sound system. This is something that most Westins are actually known for, and Sheratons too. They have Bose sound systems in there. And of course, it's nice to also have an overhead ceiling fan and some nice artwork on the wall here of a Joshua tree. Now that we've seen the living and kitchen area, let's head into the bedroom here. Now, one thing to keep in mind, there are two nightstands kind of built into the wall there. Plenty of exposed electrical outlets and USB ports as well. I found that very handy to have. But something that we noticed about this bed, I think it's supposed to be a queen-size bed. Vistana actually claims it's a queen-size bed, but we are really doubting that. I'm willing more to believe that this is just a full-size or a double bed in this villa. The bed seemed extremely small. It's a good thing we were only here for a few nights, because we're used to staying in king-size beds at home and in most timeshare villas, and this one was certainly very small. In the bedroom here, you also have a chest of drawers with a nice television in here as well. Over here in the corner, you're also going to find a pretty good sized closet where you'll find the in-room safe, some extra bedding, as well as a robe in here. And we'll see another robe here in a minute when we get into the bathroom, but they do provide you with robes here at the Westin Mission Hills. And of course, there is also room in here to hang some additional clothes. There is a sweeper and some room for additional storage, maybe to tuck away your empty luggage. Now it's time to take a look at the bathroom area here. Pretty good sized bathroom. It actually has a lot of room in here, and like I said, there's another robe hanging in the bathroom here. So definitely a nice perk to have bathrobes here at the Westin Mission Hills. But just a single vanity, large mirror there as well, plenty of towels, and the toilet is of course provided. The bathroom wouldn't be complete without a toilet. And there is also a large full-length mirror in here. And also a pretty good sized bathtub with shower. All right, now that we've seen the entire inside of the villa, let's head outside and check out the balcony. All right, I've now made it out to the patio of our villa here, the one bedroom, standard, I guess you could say, villa, because this one does not have a gas grill on the patio. The premium one bedroom villas do, and obviously if you have a whole 2-bedroom lock off, you will have that gas grill on the premium one bedroom side. But yeah, if you want to kind of take a look and see what those kind of look like, I did do a resort tour here of the Westin Mission Hills Resort and Villas, and I kind of pointed those out on the patio. So if you want to see those, I'll put a link to it right up there. But yeah, not too bad of a patio here at the Westin Mission Hills Resort and Villas. They do have a plug-in over there. There is a ceiling fan, there is a light, there are 4 chairs and a table. So a pretty nice, good sized patio here at this resort in this 1-bedroom villa. So are you an owner here, a frequent guest, or maybe you're even planning on coming for your next stay here in the Palm Springs area? I want to know all about it. Let me know what you like, what you don't about these villas, or tell me all about your upcoming trip. And also, if you could, I'd really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos, helps tell the YouTube algorithm, push them out to more people looking to come to this property. And if you want to see more videos all about timeshare, I have all kinds of them on this channel. Check out the description box below. For another video about the Westin Mission Hills Resort and Villas, check out this one right up here. And YouTube, they know you're going to like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.